Study vocabulary phrases. Number 1, 5-star hotel, Sataki Lamdap Kai Pram. Number 2, the best hotel, Sataki Dala Omapot. Number 3, beach side city, Ti Krong Chokchane. Number 4, attract many tourists, Tia Team Pio Tisi Chachran. Number 5, double bedroom, Bantop Krapi. Number 6, equipped with air conditioner, Nabum Pet machine to check. Number 7, wardrobe to Kyle. Number 8, gymnasium, Kanai Hat Brand. Number 9, recommend Nanom. Conversation about a hotel. Conversation about a hotel. សន្ទនាអំពីសណ្ឋាគារមួយ What is your favorite hotel? Where is it located? What is your favorite hotel? Where is it located? តើសណ្ឋាគារមួយណាដែលអ្នកចូលចិត្តជាងគេតើវានៅទីណា It's the Sheraton, a 5-star hotel located in Saigon, Vietnam. It's the Sheraton, a 5-star hotel located in Saigon, Vietnam. វាជាសណ្ឋាគារលំដាប់ផ្កាយ5 Sheraton ដែលមានទីតាំងនៅ Saigon ប្រទេសវៀតណាម How do you know that hotel? How do you know that hotel? តើអ្នកស្គាល់សណ្ឋាគារនេះដោយរបៀបណា Before coming to Vietnam for traveling, I searched on the internet. It's one of the best hotels in Vietnam. Before coming to Vietnam for traveling, I searched on the internet. It's one of the best hotels in Vietnam. មុននឹងមកវៀតណាមដើម្បីធ្វើដំណើរខ្ញុំបានស្វែងរកតាមអ៊ីនធឺណិតវាជាសណ្ឋាគារល្អបំផុតមួយនៅវៀតណាម Why did you choose to stay in that particular hotel? Why did you choose to stay in that particular hotel? ហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកជ្រើសរើសស្នាក់នៅក្នុងសណ្ឋាគារពិសេសនោះ I like the architecture there and online on the reviews about the hotel are positive. I like the architecture there and online all the reviews about the hotel are positive. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តស្ថាបត្យកម្មនៅទីនោះហើយការពិនិត្យលើអ៊ីនធឺណិតទាំងអស់អំពីសណ្ឋាគារមានភាពវិជ្ជមាន Is it by the beach? Is it by the beach? តើវានៅមាត់សមុទ្រទេ No, Saigon is not a beach side city. No, Saigon is not a beach side city. ទេ Saigon មិនមែនជាទីក្រុងជាប់ឆ្នេរទេ Does it attract many tourists? Does it attract many tourists? តើវាទាក់ទាញភ្ញៀវទេសចរច្រើនទេ Yes, I guess when I stayed there, it was completely booked. Yes, I guess when I stayed there, it was completely booked. បាទខ្ញុំគិតថាតាក់ទាញនៅពេលដែលខ្ញុំស្នាក់នៅទីនោះវាត្រូវបានកក់ទុកទាំងស្រុង What type of room did you stay in and what facilities did you get from the hotel? What type of room did you stay in and what facilities did you get from the hotel? តើបន្ទប់ប្រភេទណាដែលអ្នកស្នាក់នៅហើយតើអ្នកទទួលបានគ្រឿងសង្ហារិមអ្វីខ្លះពីសណ្ឋាគារ I stayed in a double bedroom. The room is equipped with air conditioner, a flat screen TV, wardrobe, etc. I stayed in the double bedroom. The room is equipped with air conditioner, a flat screen TV, wardrobe, etc. ខ្ញុំបានស្នាក់នៅក្នុងបន្ទប់ក្រែ2បន្ទប់នេះត្រូវបានបំពាក់ដោយម៉ាស៊ីនត្រជាក់ទូរទស្សន៍អេក្រង់រាបស្មើខោអាវទូខោអាវជាដើម What did you like about that hotel? What do you like about that hotel? តាអ្នកចូលចិត្តអ្វីអំពីសណ្ឋាគារនោះ A gymnasium, swimming pool, and BBQ area are available. I also love the screen space surrounding the hotel. A gymnasium, a swimming pool, and BBQ area are available. I also loved the screen space surrounding the hotel. មានកន្លែងហាត់ប្រាណអាងហែលទឹកនិងកន្លែងអាំងសាច់អាំងខ្ញុំក៏ចូលចិត្តកន្លែងបៃតងជុំវិញសណ្ឋាគារដែរ Are all the staff friendly and helpful? Are all the staff friendly and helpful? តើបុគ្គលិកទាំងអស់រួសរាយរាក់ទាក់និងចេះជួយឈឺឆ្អាលទេ Yes, definitely. They all are professional. Yes, definitely. They all are professional. បាទវាច្បាស់លាស់ណាស់ពួកគេទាំងអស់សុទ្ធតែមានជំនាញវិជ្ជាជីវៈ How much does it cost a night? How much does it cost a night? មួយយប់តម្លៃប៉ុន្មាន It cost me around $250 per night. It cost me around $250 per night. វាធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំចំណាយប្រហែលជា$250ក្នុងមួយយប់ Do you recommend that hotel to friends? Do you recommend that hotel to friends? តើអ្នកណែនាំសណ្ឋាគារនោះដល់មិត្តភក្តិទេ Yes, if they come to Vietnam. I love everything there. Yes, if they come to Vietnam. I love everything there. បាទបើគេមកវៀតណាមខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់អ្វីៗទាំងអស់នៅទីនោះ Study vocabularies of phrases. Number 1, 5-star hotel សណ្ឋាគារលំដាប់ផ្កាយ5 Number 2, the best hotel សណ្ឋាគារដែលល្អបំផុត Number 3, beachside city ទីក្រុងជាប់ឆ្នេរ Number 4, attract many tourists ទាក់ទាញភ្ញៀវទេសចរច្រើន Number 5, double bedroom បន្ទប់ក្រែ2 Number 6, equipped with air conditioner ដែលបំពាក់ម៉ាស៊ីនត្រជាក់ Number 7, wardrobe ទូខោអាវ Number 8, gymnasium កន្លែងហាត់ប្រាណ Number 9, recommend ណែនាំ Thank you.